Hello everyone and welcome, Dawn here. Today I'll be making you this die cut inlay card using the new Magnolia die. So let's get started. This card is very simple to make. First I'm going to die cut the Magnolia from white cardstock. Then I also die cut it from some AUDREY blue cardstock. Next I'm going to glue the Magnolia panel to the front of a piece of white cardstock that's folded to 5.5 by 4 1/4. I take the Magnolia pieces from the AUDREY blue cardstock that I had cut from the Magnolia die, and it's basically like putting a puzzle together. So if you like puzzles, this is definitely a great type of card for you to make. You're basically matching up all the blue pieces to fit inside the white Magnolia frame. I just keep putting all the pieces together until I have 3 magnolias going down the center of the card. Next, I'm just going to go through and glue all of the blue pieces in place using my liquid glue. If you didn't want to use your liquid glue to glue each piece down, you could always use the Stick It adhesive paper and put it on the back of your blue paper before you die cut it. Then you could just peel the paper off and stick them in place. Whatever is easiest for you, I just chose to use the liquid glue. Once I've glued all of my pieces in place, I'm going to cut the thanks die from a piece of slate gray cardstock. I thought that black cardstock was just a little bit too dark for the look I was going for. I also cut the thanks shadow out from a piece of white cardstock, and then I glued the two pieces together. I take a piece of silver metallic thread and I make figure 8s with it, and then I tie the middle of it with a piece of metallic string. Then I glued the thanks word die and the metallic string onto the card. I put the string so it hangs out a little bit from under the thanks word die. And that will complete my card for today. I want to thank you for joining me on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe to the Whimsy Stamps channel and their other social media platforms so you don't miss out on any upcoming releases and great videos. Also, check out their website for more great products. Thanks and have yourself a wonderful day.